Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to share location on Instagram. So right now I'll show you two different methods to share your location on Instagram. In first method, we will share our location using Instagram. So from your Instagram homepage, tap on this magnifying glass icon at the bottom. And in the search box, you have to search for the location that you want to share with someone. For example, I'm typing here California. And now tap on places. And now from this list, you have to select the exact location that you want to share. So for example, I'm selecting here California pizza. And now all you have to need, just tap on the share icon. And here you will find all of your Instagram chats. Now select the chat whom you want to send your location. And just tap on send. You can write here a message. And that's it. I've successfully sent it location to this chat. And now the user will be able to see the location by tapping on this location map. And another option to send location is using Google Maps app. So on your mobile, open Maps and tap on this search location and search for the location that you want to share. Once you successfully find out the location, just all you have to need, just tap on share. And here select Instagram chat and send the location from here. So I'm going to sending the location to this user, and that's it. As you can see, I've successfully sent it a location to this Instagram user. So this is how we can easily send our location to someone on Instagram. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.